Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for watching. Today I just wanted to show you what I do in a day. This is not a typical day for me, but this is a day for me. So today I'm going to the gym, then I'm going to a wax appointment, and then I'm going to Malibu to chill on the beach, and I'm so excited. I haven't been to the beach in so long and I cannot wait. So stay tuned and you'll see my day. So first, I'm going to start off with my morning routine in the bathroom. I did already wash my face because it was looking rough and brush my teeth, but I will show you my skincare routine. So first, I start with this toner from Biossance. Sorry, I know the lighting isn't great. It's just, can't really do much in here about that, and my tripod wasn't working well. So it said to use a cotton ball, and I keep forgetting to get cotton balls from the store. Keep forgetting to add them to my grocery list. Now I'll probably remember. It says to do it with your palms. Honestly, I try to start with my palms, and then I'm just using my fingers. I would just use a tissue, but every time I use like bathroom tissue, like toilet tissue, it's like, it's absorbent because that's what it's supposed to do. So it just ends up absorbing everything and not getting on my face, which is stupid, which is why I need to use a cotton ball. But for now, I'm gonna use my fingers. I don't feel like I got all of my face, but I'm just going to the gym after, so it doesn't have to be, to me, I don't want to say it's useless putting on skincare stuff before you go to the gym, because it's not, but it's like all this product for 2 hours. It feels like a waste of money. I know it's not though, but it feels like it is. And then I'm gonna put some on my neck too. I'm trying to do better about putting stuff on my neck and my chin. Okay. Then next, I use the Biossance rose oil. So this is actually a full-size one. And the mini lasts a long time, so I know this one's gonna last a long time as well. And then I do a few drops. Sometimes I end up adding more. Usually I add too much, so I'm trying to do better at finding the exact amount. Today feels like a little too much, but it's okay. I probably look so stupid doing this. Let me do this into this mirror. Okay. And then I add this Drunk Elephant hydrating serum. And I do add this to my neck too, because my neck gets very dry. So. Then I add a little bit of this Laneige Water Bank Moisturizer. Sorry, I really should have used my other camera for this, but I didn't even think about it till it was too late. But I know this is a lot, but my skin gets really dry, so I like to add all 3 of these. Okay, almost done. Eye cream from Biossance as well. It's the Marine Algae Eye Cream. I realized that I should have been saying the names since they're not showing up clearly. And then just a little bit of this Clay Reveal Advanced Brightening Cream. And this is all the stuff I put in the skincare haul video. So if you have any questions about any products, they are in there. So I was told you don't have to use a lot of this because it's literally just for spots that you need to fade scars. So I really just put on my cheeks and my chin. And that is my sleepy routine. So now I'm gonna get dressed and give my dog some food and water, and then I'm going to dip to the gym. So see you. I'm gonna show you my outfit first, but I'm gonna show you outside since the lighting is better. Then on the way to the gym. Okay, I'm sorry if you can hear Cooper squeaking his toy in the background, but here is my outfit. I got this onesie from Free People Movement. I am wearing a sports bra under it because sadly it slips a little. And then it does have shorts, so I'll lower the camera so you can see. And then here's the back. It has this crossbody bag, which is so cute. And it sucks because I have to wear a sports bra. But there it is. And here's Cooper. He wants to play as usual. And then I do put a jacket on top because it actually isn't cold today. It's usually cold in the morning when I head out to the gym, so I wear a jacket, but it's not cold, but I'll still show you my jacket. So I got this jacket from Free People as well. It's the Dolman quilted jacket. I can't remember if that's the exact name, but I know for sure it's Dolman. I got it this year, but I think they still sell them. I got it earlier this year. And then this onesie, it's the Good Karma, either onesie or runsie, I can't remember, but it's Good Karma something. And they have a bunch of colors in both the jacket and the onesie. And then, yeah, shoes. I think I put them in a haul, but they're from Nordstrom Rack. I'm pretty sure I did put them in a haul before. Maybe I'm wrong. I think I wanted to, but didn't. I can't remember, but Nordstrom Rack, I got them on sale in 2021. Yeah. So, heading to the gym now. I completely forgot that I do not have gas. So, I am at the gas station. I'm gonna put in like 2 gallons, and I'm just gonna go to Costco later and fill up and head to the gym. Sadly, I will not be spending as much time there as I thought I would be able to. I should have pushed my wax appointment back, but I was trying to be efficient and go to the beach early because that's when I like going. And yeah, I was not efficient. So I am gonna fill up my tank, then gym it is. Okay, so I'm done at the gym. It was a pretty good workout. I do the, what's it called? I've been seeing it on social media where you do an incline at 12, speed of 3 for 30 minutes. I did that. And then I did the stairs for 10 minutes. Usually I do 15, but I was running late, so I didn't want to be late to my wax appointment. And then I do some machines. So I did abs, arms, and legs. Yeah, that's it. And now I am about to head to my wax appointment. Well, actually, I'm going to take a shower first. So I need to hurry up and take a shower and then go to my appointment and then go back home because I need to do my makeup and pack before I go to the beach. So stay tuned for that. Okay, so I finished my wax appointment. It went pretty well. It wasn't super painful. I get my chin waxed because I used to have ingrown hairs growing here and I hated it, and it has helped so much. I think I've been like 4 or 5 times and it's helped so much, and it's helped fade the scars too because they're not ingrown hairs anymore. Then underarms, started getting that, like, I think this is my 3rd time, either 2nd or 3rd time, and it's great. The hair grows back so slowly. It's great. I'm prepping for like Italy because I'm going next summer, and I want to be taking pictures with my arms up, and I don't want to have dark underarms, so hopefully this helps a little bit. And then I do stomach strip to help with the ingrown hairs too, and bikini line and inner thigh. So that's what I did. It went well. The people the one I go to are really nice. I go to European Wax Center, and then I got these ingrown hair wipes, recommended to help. I have been using their exfoliator too from European Wax Center. Haven't noticed a super big difference, but I mean, I have been doing the exfoliator along with what's it called, with the waxing too, like all at the same time. So it's hard to tell a difference because it's all been going on at the same time. And now I'm gonna go home and eat. I'm so hungry. Make a smoothie and get ready to go to the beach, so do my makeup. So I really did not feel like cooking, and I forgot we have leftovers from Christmas. So I'm just gonna eat my leftovers. I have macaroni and cheese, green bean casserole, salmon, and cornbread. I'm gonna eat that, then do my makeup and dip. Now I'm going to do my makeup and go to the gas station and go, because it is time to go. Okay, so I finished my makeup. I am gonna put some spray on my face, but I left it in the car and I need some lip gloss, so I gotta do that. Other than that, ready to dip. Also, edge control, bringing that with me. No point in putting that on right now. Okay, so I'm finally leaving for the beach. Finally, oh gosh, had some technical difficulties with my portable charger, but on the way now. Also brought some cookies. I'll show you guys a picture. I only had one so far, but I'm excited to eat them on the beach. Ready to go. So I made it, and it's not as warm as it said it's supposed to be, sadly, but it's okay. So I still have time before my food's ready, so I'm gonna stop by Free People and maybe Urban Outfitters and see if they have anything cute. So I didn't really see anything I wanted from Urban Outfitters or Free People, but I did get this bookmark from Urban Outfitters, and you can put 2 of your Polaroid pictures in it. So I think that's so cute. So I'm gonna do that. And I picked up my food, and now I'm about to head to the beach. So I am here. I like to personally just park on the street and go sit behind some houses, but to each their own. This is just what I think is easiest and I prefer. It's pretty chill, so I'll show you. So finally here, so happy. It looks so pretty right now. Sadly, the sun's gonna set in probably like an hour. So I am just gonna eat and read until then. Okay, I wanted to stay longer. I didn't really mind the cold so much, but there's these little bugs that keep coming on my blanket. They always come to the beach at night and I'm done. So I'm going to grab coffee and then head back and enjoy this ride, watching the water. It's going to be very pretty and hopefully I avoid traffic. Yeah, we'll see. I have been sitting in my car for probably like 30 minutes just drinking water, scrolling through Instagram, and I need to go. So I don't know why I said I was going to get coffee. I don't even want coffee. I think it's just my habit. Every time I come to Malibu, I get Broad Street oyster company lobster roll, and then I get Starbucks on my way back, and I don't need to do that. Like, I like doing that, but I don't need to. So I'm just going to go home. So thanks for watching. If you made it this far, I really appreciate it. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and comment what you want to see next time, or what you liked, or whatever, anything you want me to know. Other than that, I'll see you next time. Have a good day. Bye.